Hello, good day. My name is Jonathan Boojulal, presenting to you Water Value Conserve Restore. Water is extremely valuable and has its many purposes and uses, but every single day water abundantly reduces. We use water for a myriad of reasons in every region and municipality. In our sweet TNT, we depend on this precious resource that is being abused, of course. We see things happening in our waterfalls, so we must pause. But do we really care? We are all the cause. Water has its value, and yes, it's worth. Now, let's see how we can save this earth. One key purpose of water is hydration. Dehydrated, now that's a serious situation. Water is the main function of keeping humans alive. This is why conserving it must be a strive. Not just humans, but the ecosystem too. Conserving water is something you can do. Our plants and animals need water to survive. Without water, they cannot thrive. Water is not endless. It has a limit, which is why it's important to conserve it. In order for recreational water activities to be pursued, try to lessen your water usage. You will feel gratitude. Reserving water also reduces effects such as drought, water shortages, and even water pollution without a doubt. Reserving water is significant to its lifespan. Let's try to lessen our water usage. I know we can. It's all I hear. Let's make water our best friend and have some care. Take off the tap while you are brushing your teeth. Stop having that water running constantly underneath. Check for leaks around the house. Put an end to those water runouts. Water must not be polluted. Let's not make our friend feel like he's being executed. On that note, let's talk about water restoration. Dirty water can cause great destruction. You can restore water by managing your chemical use. That's something that you should reduce. Manage your disposal of waste. Waste? Don't let the water have a taste. You can also use these tips for the water cycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. So, water has major significance. Let's show some respect for our friend. Show reverence. Let water acknowledge our consistency. Culturally, spiritually, physically, agriculturally, and environmentally. We will work with water when we require it. Let's lessen our water usage at least a little bit. Water, value, conserve, restore. Let's make it real. Let's make it the law.